Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I'm also doing great guys. Today is my off day and I want to learn how to cook pancake. Okay guys, I bring banana and all type of flour. So I'm going to try and test the pancake, okay? This is my banana and this is all type of flour. So guys, let's get started and test the pancake. Okay guys, see you. So guys, let's get started by cutting banana round shape, okay? Just peel out like this. Oh my god, why my banana is like this? Why guys, my banana is blacky here, see? I'm gonna cut it off and throw. Just like this. Let's see this one. This is okay. Okay, so just like this, okay? But it's just round shape, guys. Here in Qatar, weather is very hot, so even if you buy and bring banana, it's just for one day, okay? Wow, I like this. So guys, I finished cutting banana. I'm gonna add now egg. Oh, it's so hard. Oh my god. What is this? Oh. Oh. 4 eggs. Okay. Oh my god. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Also, too much salt. Salt. And just beat it. Beat it. One of my friends teach me how to beat the egg. So just like this.
You should use fork, huh?
It's okay.
This one will mix, so if you mix all together, then
Okay. My friend is teaching how to cook pancake because my friend is from Philippines. They always eat pancake.
because
Vanilla?
I cooked before.
Oh, that one later. This one different. It says, guys, Foster class. You can see here. Oh, just want to add. Oh, just like this, okay? Beat it again. I'm going to add milk. Fresh milk. Oh my god. I'm gonna add fresh milk. Oh, holy Jesus. So finally, I'm gonna add flour, all-purpose flour. Just want to open here. Like that. Just want to pour a little, just one pour like this. Oh god, I'm learning how to cook pancake and it's so messy for me. I don't have any measurement, okay? Just randomly learning how to cook. So, oh my god, I hope you guys don't laugh at me, okay? And beat the egg again. Oh my god, the plate is very small guys. I cannot mix it.
flake of the yogurt. You cannot mix that one.
Finally, guys, I'm gonna change something else.
No, that one is in it's cooking.
Yeah.
No, in the baking.
I'm gonna add here. This is very small. Oh God. Wow. I'm gonna add more fresh milk and more flour. This flour is making me headache, guys. How I open. It's okay, guys. Please don't laugh at me because I'm learning, okay? Oh, so nice to beat the egg now. Now let's go to the kitchen and cook it. So guys, this is my frying pan that I'm gonna cook pancake. First, I'm gonna add some sugar. Just like this all over the pan. I'm gonna set up the banana. Just like this all over, guys. Let's see after 5 minutes, guys. Just close and let them enjoy cooking, guys. So guys, I'm expecting very bad. See, my God. Let's try different idea, guys. Olive oil. Just make sure all moisturize all over the pan. Guys, it was horrible look. Oh my God. So I'm gonna close and see after some time. So guys, I'm gonna open and see. Whoa, this is how it looks. Oh God, this is how it looks. Looks like, guys. It was so worse, guys. I'm really sorry for cooking very bad. So guys, I removed it and blend like this because I forgot to put butter and it's like getting burned. So I removed it and I blended nicely and I'm gonna cook my small pan of
I change again.
This turns more worse, guys. Look. Oh my God.
1 hour later.
So guys, I cook and it turns. Oh my God. It turns so bad. You know, it turns so bad, guys.
Oh my God.
One of my friend from Myanmar bring for me banana and I wasted everything. I'm sorry, you. Come this. Look, this is how I cook. Oh my God. What's this? Actually, just for you guys, I will upload the video, okay?
Ay, puta.
Sorry guys, not good. Oh my God.
What is that? Salty like this.
Look. So guys, it was worst experience in my life cooking pancake. You know, the reason behind is I forgot to put baking powder. Also, I forgot to put butter. That is the reason whole cooking was mess. And I'm sure I will try next time and show you guys. Sorry for today. I don't have nothing to eat, so I'm gonna eat crabs right now. Look, my friend is playing game. I was thinking it will be very tasty and yummy so that I can share my friends, but at the same time it was fail, okay? So guys, see you in my next video, and I will make sure next time I will cook 100% tasty and good looking.
Thanks for watching.